Welcome to Weather News Planet Plus TV. Today, terrible earthquake hit Mexico. A 6.5 magnitude earthquake shocked southern Mexico early Friday, officials said, with no immediate reports of casualties or damage. Dear audience, the tremor occurred 3:29 am local time 140 kilometers southeast of the town of PGGF1 in Chiapas state, near the border with Guatemala, the National Seismological Service said. Tremor was felt in neighboring Oaxaca state, also with no damage. Dear friend, Mexico registers intense seismic activity because it is located in the Pacific Ring of Fire. In September 2017, a 7.1 magnitude quake killed 369 people, the majority in Mexico City. An 8.1 magnitude quake killed about 10,000 people in 1985. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.